Hey guys, welcome to iTechHope. In this video, I will be briefing you about isset function in PHP. So let's get started. Isset function in PHP is used to check whether a variable is set and it is not null. Depending upon whether a variable set or it is null, the isset function returns true or false. If variable is set, isset function returns the true, and if variable is null, then isset function returns the false. So let's have quick look at it. Open your notepad or notepad++. This is our notepad++ in which we have written the PHP code. Here we have defined the two variables, var1 and var2, of which var1 has been initialized with some value, whereas var2 has been directly tested with isset function. So using the if statement, we have written the isset function inside if statement, and if isset function turns out to be true, then we have printed the variable is set, and if isset function turns out to be false, then we have in else part, that means in else part we have printed variable is not set. Whereas for variable 2 we have directly passed it to the isset function and we have checked if it is set, then we have printed variable 2 is set, and if isset function for variable 2 turns out to be false, then we have printed variable 2 is not set. That means in else part we have printed variable 2 is not set. So this is how isset function works. So let's run this PHP code. You can run this PHP code by starting the XAMPP, and in which you have to start two modules, Apache and MySQL. This is how you can XAMPP. You have to start these two modules from here, and after that just open your browser, type localhost. We have specified the file name as test.php. So here you can see variable 1 is set, whereas variable 2 is not set. So variable 1 is set, variable 2 is not set. So let's save it and once again have a look at it. So here we can see variable 1 is set, whereas variable 2 is not set. This is because here we have passed the hello to variable 1, whereas we have directly passed the variable 2 isset function without initializing it to any value. So this is how isset function works. Hope you guys like our video. Do not forget to hit the like button. Do subscribe to our channel. Do spread this video. Signing out, iTechHope.